Hello everyone and welcome back to Matchbox Memories. Today we're going to have a look at this new 2025 5-pack Autobahn Express VI. We're going to open it up and then have a look at each of the vehicles and then compare them to previous models that Matchbox has made. I do apologize for my voice. I am just recovering from a cold. Without any further ado, let's have a look at this fantastic 5-pack and the vehicles inside of it. So there it is from the outside. The packaging, you can see some of the cars that are in there. The highlighted car is the Mini. And there we are. Have to say, there's only 2 German cars in here. I guess the Mini belongs to Germany now as well. But there you go, Autobahn Express number 6. Let's open it up and have a look at it. So there it is, guys, out of its box. Let's have a quick look at the vehicles in the packaging here. And let's start with the Mini. All right, so this vehicle here is a 2010 Mini Cooper Cabrio. I think I have most of the versions of this particular vehicle that Matchbox has produced, other than the first version, which came out, I think, in 2010, and it is in yellow. So that is fully detailed. Nice little baby blue. Mini Cooper S Cabrio 2010. And then let's have a look at some of the other vehicles that Matchbox has previously released. So casting that's been around for almost 15 years now. I think I have all of them except the yellow version. So there they are, guys. I couldn't tell you. I'm pretty sure that's fairly recent. From memory, this is a premium. It's got rubber tires. And it's fully detailed, front, back, sides, top of the hood. Reasonably priced on eBay or other auction sites. This is one of the older versions of it. I think it says K09 as the manufacturing year and week. And then some more recent versions of it. All right, next vehicle up is the 1971 MGB GT Coupe. And I think this is the 6th version of it. This bottle blue, left-hand drive. Good detailed back, look at that, looks fantastic. And details on the front as well. Beautiful. (1971) MGB GT Coupe, chrome base, chrome grille. Very, very nice casting. And like I previously mentioned, there are 6 versions. I couldn't find my British Racing green version, but I definitely have it somewhere. It's just the main line. Just wasn't with the rest of them. So anyways, I do have it. I apologize for not being able to find it, guys, but that's one we just looked at. This is mainline as well. This is the debut version that came out in red. Fortunately, they didn't finish this one off, although it does have the symbol or the emblem at the front there. Back's fully detailed though. And this is the 70th anniversary premium version, which I think is absolutely gorgeous, but wasn't as popular a set as I expected. But fantastic vehicle. Look at that, all the bells and whistles. Rubber tires, livery front, top, detailed back, detailed front, and the chrome base. I think these started off at around $8, and they were, I've seen them discounted in the US to 99 cents. I can't remember where I got this from. I think it's from a 5-pack, but I'm not 100% sure. Fairly recent version of it, also fully detailed. All right, next up, let's have a look at this BMW Police. I think it's an M5. BMW M5 Police. This one is a repeat. We have seen this vehicle before in a 5-pack. I do have the previous version of it, which we will compare this one to. But once again, detailed front and back. Sorry, detailed sides and front. And the back hasn't been detailed, unfortunately. But other than that, this is absolutely fantastic casting. There it is. And let's compare it to the previous version. So at first glance, it looks absolutely identical. I think the only difference that I see, and I don't know if you can pick this up on camera, is that they are two different blues. They do look identical on camera, but to the naked eye, they're different shades of blue. Other than that, as you can see, identical. I think you can see that better there. This one is a touch darker than that. Same wheels, same rims. And then some of the other police vehicles, these are the German police cars that Matchbox done. This is another version of it. You can see does not have a detailed front, but it does have a detailed hood there. Back and front have no details. Looks so much better when the front's detailed. Look at that. And here's the recent version from the collector's line. I think this is a 2025, and this one's fully detailed. I'm not the biggest fan of the color scheme, but still one of the better Matchbox castings. I do like this casting. Rubber tires, all the bells and whistles. And it came from the main line. This is a fairly old version. This one's quite difficult to find. This is from a recent 5-pack. Audi e-tron. Detailed front, detailed sides, and fully detailed back. So, nice little vehicle. And a Corvette from a few years ago. Not really sure if the German Police have Corvettes in their lineup, but Matchbox created one nevertheless. No details at the back. Front's fully detailed. 2015 Corvette Stingray. Alright, let's have a look at this Bentley. 2018 Bentley Bentayga. This is the 4th color we've seen this vehicle in. Absolutely love this casting. Look at that, fully detailed front, good set of tires, and a detailed back as well. This one's probably my favorite casting in this 5-pack. Although the police car is right there with it. 2018 Bentley Bentayga. This particular vehicle doesn't have an interior, and that's why it's fully blacked out. Can't see inside, but if you peek in there, you can't see it on camera, but definitely no interior on this particular vehicle. And the 3 previous versions in no particular order. This one came out during COVID. This particular case never came to Vancouver, or came in very limited supply. So it took me a couple of years to actually find this version of it. It's the original version. And I can't remember where the red and the white versions came out of. I'm not sure if they were main lines or if they were just out of 5 packs. In maroon, sort of a metal flake maroon. And then of course in white. Looks quite sharp as well. All right, last vehicle we're going to look at is the 2020 Audi TT RS Coupe. In this yellow. Fully detailed front, including the logo. Looks quite good. Left-hand drive. Good set of tires. Detailed back. It's really nice. Look at that. Really sharp. And there are the 6 versions of this particular vehicle that Matchbox has released. This one we haven't seen on camera before, at least not in a long video. I did open this in a short. This is from the 2025 J case, the latest case that has come to Vancouver, the 2019 Audi TT RS. Also absolutely gorgeous in this metal flake gray with a red interior. It's really nice. We've seen the red one before, it's fairly old. As we have the green and the black. Black one's really nice too. Let's have a closer look at it. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful. And then the blue one was from one of those, I'm not sure if it was from the Germany series or the English series. It should have been from the Germany series that Matchbox did during COVID. This one was fairly difficult to find, this blue version. I've only got a couple of them in my collection. There it is. Probably the hardest of the 6 versions. Manufacturing year and week was N48. There it is. So that's it, guys. That's it for this 5-pack unboxing. Like always, I do appreciate your support and thank you for watching these videos. I do have some of the latest Matchbox 2025 mainlines that have started to appear in the local dollar stores and Walmarts, which I have been actively gathering. I'm just waiting to complete my sets to make a video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button on YouTube.